Last Wednesday, the Bank of Canada made another rate announcement. They dropped their overnight lending rate by 1/4%. We got a lot of phone calls and a lot of questions when that happens. Is my rate going down? I'm closing on a house in a month. Can I get a better rate, for example? So we're just going to break that down very quickly. The Bank of Canada advertises their overnight rate, which is 2.75%. That is not a mortgage rate. It's not your rate. It's not my rate. It's not anybody's rate. That's what the banks use to lend money to each other. It has nothing to do with the rate on your mortgage. What actually matters to you? A couple things. Number one, the prime rate, okay, the one that the banks actually use to base their mortgage pricing on, is now 4.95%. Unless your TD Bank, theirs is higher. That's a whole different conversation. But that rate affects only variable and adjustable rate mortgages. And remember also that the spread, which is the discount that you pay under or the premium you pay above that rate, for example, if you have a home equity line of credit, you may pay a premium above that 4.95% on your line of credit, or if you have a variable rate mortgage, you might pay a discount underneath that rate. Those things, those spreads, can also change with the market. Now, if you have a spread and a discounted variable rate mortgage, it doesn't change for the term, but it can change for a new loan. For example, while the prime rate has come down, a discount from, say, 2 years ago would have been, say, 1% under prime. So you could be in a variable rate mortgage paying as low as 3.95%. But a new mortgage today might be priced at 0.7% under prime or even 0.3% under prime. So the net rate, the one that you actually pay if you take out that kind of loan, might not be very different than a fixed rate today anyways, 4.5, 4.6, 4.2, depending on your down payment, whether you're buying, refinancing, for example, okay? So fixed rate mortgages, unbothered, they're doing fine. They follow the bond market. They do not move when the Bank of Canada makes their rate announcements. But if you have a fixed rate that is over 5%, you're possibly paying too much on that one, and it's worth having a conversation to see if we can't make a change there as well to save you some money, because rates are lower than that presently. So if you have a fixed rate mortgage, there's no change. If you have a variable rate mortgage, your interest rate and possibly your payment could shift, but this is also not automatic. So watch your statements, watch your mail, and call us if you're uncertain, okay? For that matter, call us anyways. If you're ever unsure, send an email, call, text, carrier pigeon. We'll get the facts, we'll make sure you're on the right track and have all the information. Till next time.